Alright, what's going on, guys? Who's here? Alright, on a previous video, y'all saw me show you how to open this latch on 2009 Smart fortwo. This is the cabriolet, which is the convertible. Now I'm gonna show you how to put the switch in. It took, I don't know, about 2 weeks for this switch to come in. I actually thought I was gonna get it off Amazon and be good, but it was coming from China one way or the other, y'all. Coming from China would have been like $25 or so, some in that area, 25 or more, give or take. But I found it on AliExpress, like $9. And as you can see, it's a little lever you press and it hits this little cheap button right here. A harness. So how hard can it be? We'll see. So all you need is that part, a T125 bit. You got 6 screws to take out. Y'all know this is where you put your parts when you get ready, where you don't know. Some of you, well, if you know, you know. There's a you can make this when you do a convertible. It can have a window, whatever you call them things, little metal pieces going across. So you can keep them on, or you can take them off. You can store them in here and be good. So you got one screw here, one on the same opposite side, same kind of screw. You open this hatch up. This bottom gonna fall off once you get all these screws out. So I got my knee supporting the rear hatch. Alright. Alright, what's gonna go down is this bottom end. Uh-oh. We no problems. There we go. Alright. Alright. I want to kill y'all. I ain't even pick the camera up, y'all. I'm gonna pick this up. You can see here goes the harness. It's attached to the body with some little clip. Now I need to get this harness up off of him. Now that I got my knee supporting this, I don't want to get. Oh no, I done broke it, y'all. I done broke it. Well, I guess I can get it off easy with it broke. Boom. That was just, I broke a little holster, the thing that hold it to the body. It's gonna have to free flow now. And I'm gonna have to free ball. Alright. That's the only thing attached. And it's got these little funky, I probably still need to get a screwdriver. Got these little funky clips that hold it in place somehow, way or another. It's hard holding this on by knee. Alright. There's that old booger. Let me see something. Oh man, I see what's wrong. Switch wasn't even broke, y'all. I'm gonna show you in a minute what's wrong here. Now that we got it though, I should have took it out first, shouldn't I? I should have did a little reconnaissance. Alright. Dang. I waited all this time for nothing. And I guess, let me see if y'all, I don't know if y'all can see this, but if you get this, you'll know how it go back in. It just pop into place. Cause it ain't got no, let me see, put the bottom in the hole first to go back out to the outside of the car. Put it in there first. And then it go back behind those two little switches. Well, I'm gonna put it together then, cause I'm gonna have to cut this camera off and do some more little leg room stuff to get this. I'm just gonna hook it up for y'all to see. Oh man, it wasn't even broke. Ha! Ain't that something? Oh, no. What the hell? It don't want to accept. Let me make sure it's the same. So this don't want to accept. It is not the same latch. Ain't that something? The inside got a different little hookup in it. Ain't that something spit? I'm gonna put my old one back on. See if I can make it work with this button. Let's see. Yeah, it wasn't broke, y'all. This is the old one. Man, I need to let this hold up on its own. I can't. But look, when it was pressing, this little piece was missing. It was missing the push thing. Now watch this. Ain't that something? What this new one look like? It just, I might can break the new one and make the old one work. Oh man. Ain't that something, y'all? Let me see if I can let you see what the inside this look like. Yeah, I know you can't see it, but we gonna try it anyway. Up top up here, that look like a half moon or something, and the new one have like a half moon with a notch in it, and that half moon's supposed to fit inside this harness. God, I'm gonna make it work, y'all, and cause I'm me, you know, I'm gonna make it work. But you get the gist of how to do it, and putting it back together is reverse of how you took it apart. All right, y'all, same video, new video. What I mean by that is, it's the same video, but I'm gonna show you how to, if you run into this problem, how to get around it. Now you got two options. One option is if you had the tool, you can remove the pins out of the inside this harness. Old, new. I'm gonna take this old harness and put it on a new unit. Now, I gotta look at the by there being two different color wires. Oh well. I just gotta look at where the harness lines up at. And that means I keep them color schemes going. Good deal. This pink with the yellow gonna go to the black, and the brown gonna go to the blue. Is that right? Yeah. Make sure that's the same. Yeah. So we're gonna do a little snip. Yeah, that's sure. That is right. All right. Do a little script. Boom. Boom. All right. I know some of you would have been, oh, and be like, I gotta send this back. Y'all, you don't want to go through all that. What did I say? Let's see. The blue is gonna go with let's see. All right, I'm gonna go with black. The black gonna go with the yellow pink. Strip this too. Boom. Boom. A little twisty twist. I stripped the wrong way over there. Stripped the wrong wire. I stripped the right wire first. That was the old one, y'all. I'm finna hook it back up the way it came. Now I'm finna double check again before I do this, cause I'm being crazy right now. Yellow and pink is with the black. Yellow and pink is with the black. Yep. Yellow and pink go with the black. Twist them up like that though. Boom. You use whatever kind of crimpers you want. Or you know, whatever crimps or whatever you want to call them. Give it a tug, they ain't coming out. I wish I had some posi taps, y'all. I found some of them. Well, I didn't find. When I got something else in my truck that came with those, I didn't even know how to use them. I had to research how to use them. They were new. Posi taps. Man, them things was quick use. And I wanted to get some, but they kind of high for a few of them. So I've been waiting to see some around town on a low, because I don't use them as much. But when I do need them, I want to have them. All right, new switch. Spicy pickle beer. Alright. First, I'm gonna plug it up, y'all. Make sure we on the road again. I can't wait to be on the road again. Boom, plugged in. Let's see what we do. See? Boom, there it is. So, like I said, I broke this off. I guess it was just brittle, so it's not gonna be hung up where it need to be. I might zip tie it up or something, but I'm just gonna stick it back in and rock and roll.